how to make a homemade honey walnut dipping sauce, which can be used for many different things. Many different things can be dipped into this honey walnut dipping sauce. Some of you, in fact, may want to dip your fried chicken into this honey walnut dipping sauce. Let's begin. All right, so we have a little mini bowl for our dipping sauce, and we're going to add to it 2 tablespoons of homemade walnut butter. There's 1. And there's 2. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. There's 1. And 2. Next, we're going to add about 4 teaspoons of water. One, 2, 3, 4. And also add a little bit of cinnamon. Mix it all up. And there you have it, a very nice and creamy honey walnut dipping sauce in just a few minutes.